So we're going to talk about the Hypershade now. It's pretty simple to use. You just have to select Window and Hypershade, or click Hypershade here. And it has a whole setup of options here. But I like to select them from over here. I like to place them here. So if I grab my Warpgate, you can see here's the shader. Right? It's simple to put it on there. You just select the object, right click, and assign material. In this case, you make them by simply making like a blend. So let me go ahead and make a new little blend. Blends are basically little shiny ones. You can see the blend pops up over here. Now let me go ahead and name that. Right click and rename. I'll call Warpgate Shader 3. I have 3 of them now. If you look through here, Shader 1. Yeah. Okay. So I can pick colors here in the color. Obviously, it's pretty straightforward. You can also adjust what those colors look like. And there's a couple other settings. Let me go ahead and apply it first. Select Assign Material. There you go, see? Usually you want to turn down that diffuse a little bit so it's not so intense. It's what allows color and light to kind of seep in. So the higher it is, the brighter the lighting effect is on the surface. And we want to probably turn down reflectivity, a few other things. These adjust sort of the tightness of the specular output, which is the shine, essentially. You can see how it's now kind of very shiny through here. Alright, and that is pretty much it for starting materials. For these ones, I did apply a bit of extra. You can click on these little checkered, and I put a ramp, which is if I grab these here, I can click on this, and you get this option. And I just simply went down to ramp and clicked on that, and that's what we have here. And you can kind of move these around or delete them. See, like so. Make new ones by just clicking on it. It's very straightforward. And I set this one to be a little linear instead of done, so it's got a little sort of fade object to it. And that is pretty much it for applying shaders to this. I might do a little bit of extra tweaking on this one. You can select faces and such. So if I go through here and select these faces, then I can apply different colors to them. See? That's just the 6 key and the 5 key. 5 key is flat shade, and 6 is sort of texture, so you can see these ramp effects happening. Put a ramp effect on the portal, put some ramp effects on these boxes, right? And that's pretty much it for the application of shaders in this project. That's the basics of how to apply shaders. Is you make it, you apply it to object, and then you can tweak with the settings on them some. And there's a lot of settings, but we'll be going over that more in detail later.